Are you struggling to lose weight? You've been to the doctor, the dietitian, and the naturopath. You've even been to the gym, got yourself a personal trainer, and you've made some progress, but not quite enough. Well, maybe one expert you should talk to is yourself. Yourself? What do I mean by that? Yourself, your unconscious mind. Your unconscious mind is like a silent partner that is with you all the time and will do anything that you ask as long as you ask in the right way. The unconscious mind is also the storehouse for all your memories and runs your body. So who better to talk about reaching your ideal weight than your unconscious mind? Makes sense, doesn't it? But how do you do that? How do you talk to your unconscious mind? Well, the first step is to set up a communication system with your unconscious mind in the form of ideomotor signals. Now, that might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. When you talk to people, they will sometimes nod their head to indicate a yes, or they might shake their head from side to side to indicate a no. Well, believe it or not, but these movements of the head are not conscious moves. They are controlled by the unconscious mind. They are what we call ideomotor signals. Ideo refers to ideation, that is thinking, and motor refers to muscle activity. So, thoughts producing muscle activity. Does that make sense? So, did you just nod your head or shake it from side to side? Or did you keep your head still because you're still not quite sure what I'm talking about? And if you kept your head still, are you now nodding gently in agreement with me? So when I set up ideomotor signals with a client, the first thing I do is to invite their unconscious mind to move a finger or a thumb to indicate a yes signal, and then to move a finger or a thumb to indicate a no signal. Once we have a yes and a no signal, then I show them how to use a hypnosis pendulum. So with the pendulum, we give the unconscious mind 4 choices. That is, it can swing in a clockwise direction, or a counterclockwise direction, up and down, or side to side. So once you've established the ideomotor signals, you can begin a conversation with the unconscious mind. And the conversation may start with a statement. For example, hey, unconscious mind, I want to go through a list of foods that I eat and find out if the food item is beneficial to me or not. Then you say, for example, is white bread beneficial for me? You will then get an ideomotor signal for a yes or a no. And the next step is to find out to what degree out of 10 is the white bread beneficial to me? And then to what degree out of 10 is the white bread a problem for me? And that is where we use the hypnosis map. So you can get a free download from my website. The link is below the video, so you can download the hypnosis map for yourself. And I would suggest that you actually get it. It's printed, double-sided, and then get it laminated, because it's great. You just leave it on the coffee table, you leave it on the kitchen table, so it's there whenever you want to use it. So with ideomotor signals, you can find out which foods are beneficial and which foods are a problem for you, and whether they may be related to certain health conditions. And you can also use ideomotor signaling to help you banish virtually any bad habit. So if you would like to learn how to do this for yourself, you could either book a coaching package with me so that I can train you up, or you could just visit my website and work your way through the resources that are there. And on my website, you'll also find a series of online courses which give you the tools and techniques to banish problem foods and food cravings, stop drinking alcohol, stop smoking cigarettes, marijuana and vaping, which has become quite popular in the last few years, and also to help you stop gambling if you should do that. And most importantly, make sure that you enroll in the NLP Future Selfing course. It's a foundational goal-setting course, and it's free if you use the promo code. The link is in the notes below the video. It will take you to my website, and then you will go to the link where it says free courses, and you should find the promo code there. If you need some help, just reach out, leave a comment below, or go to my website and send me an email. All the best to you.